All aboard. The crazy train is pulling back into the station with another clue.
Please clear out of the way, please. No,
Don't do it.
That's for me. That's for me.
Oh, it's okay.
Thank you. And this is how. Oh, you know what? That's. Please, Jenny. No, 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 oh, no, no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Just pick the clue up, man.
Pick it up, Ken. There you go.
Rock and roll.
Yeah, Ken. Give it to him.
I picked up that clue like a rock star. Paper cut, paper cut, paper cut, paper cut. Call a medic. Oh, I'm the medic.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
All right.
Oh, my God.
Look
I
at
know who
this.
is.
And you're right, oh my God, because it's a halo.
Halo.
Not everyone earns a halo in life, but in my lifetime, this girl sure did.
Whoa! She earned it.
Okay.